This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Greg Horvath. Welcome home to this 3-bedroom, 2-bath and 1-car garage in the Riverview community of South Pointe. The current owner has remodeled both bathrooms and replaced the roof in 2020. The large kitchen has been recently updated with solid wood cabinets for maximum storage. The fenced backyard allows you to enjoy the true Florida lifestyle. Screened patio, wood deck, fire pit, active vegetable garden and large fruit-producing mango tree. The home is located in a community with 2 pools, a playground area, a basketball court, a clubhouse, one of the lowest HOA fees in the area, and no CDD. Best of all, easy access to I-75, new movie theaters, restaurants, shopping, YMCA, golf clubs, and hospitals. Enjoy the Tampa Bay area from the heart of Riverview. Due to multiple offers, requesting highest and best by Sunday 4/11 p.m. For more information, review the details below or contact Greg Horvath at 813-477-5332.